guy's hitting them on over there. What colors are you using? I mean my shorts. Woohoo! 48 miles out, 20-foot boat. That's the way we do it, baby. Like a washing machine. Oh, look at that, baby. It's a nice tuna. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Yeah. Look at it.
Wow.
Take a picture of it, Donnie. Donnie, come here and get the gaff.
Okay, I got it. Oh, no.
Get ready, get ready. Don't screw around. Oh man, belly shots every time, huh? That other one. Is that it?
Can you go behind me or
Here. Go. Hand me another hook, honey. Double header on live bait, people. Or dead bait, actually.
No, mine was the last.
Oh!